It's just really taken those factories which I've seen, which have been legacy factories, to that next sort of level. Even the way watching the autonomous driving the car to the car park, using the tools that we've got to make it seamless, efficient and awesome quality.
In the exterior, but also particularly in the interior, you can see really a difference in the quality of Zeekr craftsmanship.
Absolutely, and it gives us more faith from the dealer level, talking to a customer, talking about the quality, knowing when those processes are in place at the factory to get it right first time.
After visiting, I would like to say it's a scary smart in a very good way.
The quality care, seeing the Zeekr factory workers all there checking over those cars, meticulously paying attention to that and just making sure the cars are perfect. And from what I saw, there were not many imperfections, but there's still those double checks were good to see and good to know. All the different models coming down the line together, and I was really impressed by the way, not just on the way the cars were built, but just that sort of care and quality process that I saw at the factory.
Overall, I think everything is well organized. Zeekr is a very professional production. Automated processes are integrated, and also the quality inspection in the end was very impressive.